Today we're going to make a laptop bag out of plastic bags. I started by cutting off the handles and the bottom seams of each bag. I then layered the bags between 2 sheets of parchment paper and melted them together with my iron. This isn't difficult to do, but it does take a minute to figure out the right heat setting for your iron and how to be consistent with your passes with it. The bags I used for this project are a thin plastic, so I used 4 bags, a total of 8 layers for each piece. I then cut off all the uneven edges. I sewed 2 pieces together for each side of the bag. There's no special machine and no special settings that you need to know about. It's just like sewing fabric. To make the side seams a bit stronger, I sewed through it once, folded the seam over, and then sewed through it twice. I cut a smaller piece to use as a pocket for the outside of the bag. And I sewed that to one of the side pieces. I also made a separate seam so that the pen will have its own special pocket. I cut 4 thin pieces to use as straps. And I sewed them together in pairs so that I could have longer straps. I then sewed 1 strap to each side of the bag. I went by eye for the placement of the first strap, but for the second strap, I lined it up with the first to make sure that they were symmetrical.
While I'm working on that, let me tell you about Squarespace, the sponsor for this video. You can create a beautiful website with Squarespace's all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade. Ever. My favorite thing about Squarespace is they have really well-designed templates. Templates are really important because they give you a stylish head start to the creation process. All you have to do is plug in your own content and the whole thing looks really professional. I use Squarespace to create my website, ijessup.com. Did you know I have a website? I'll bet you didn't. The reason I chose Squarespace is because I'm new at this and it was really important that it was easy to get started, but also that it's powerful and has an expandable platform. I'm going to be starting a new line of merchandise soon-ish. And with Squarespace's e-commerce capabilities, I can add an online store directly to my website. It's simple to set up or transfer your domain on Squarespace, and they offer 24/7 award-winning customer support. This is important because when something goes wrong with your website, it's a reflection on you and your business. And it's stressful when you feel like you're being misrepresented and you can't figure out how to fix it. So, go to squarespace.com/homemade and use the offer code HOMEMADE to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
I then put the 2 outside faces of the bag together and sewed the bottom seam. I then flipped the right sides out, folded the sides over, and sewed through both of them. For more detailed information, check out our website. And follow us on Instagram to see where we're going and what we're doing. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. And my channel.